voice acting practice, beginner's emotions. In this video, we'll be going over how to express a couple of different beginner emotions through just your voice. Being able to portray these emotions will help you a ton when it's time for a character you're acting as to express themselves. Beforehand, make sure you have plenty of water and your voice is warmed up and ready to go. The first emotion is your bass voice. This will be, of course, your character's voice at its most natural, relaxed state. Example. Hi, this is KittyKingTV, and if you find these videos helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment what other voice acting tips you would like to see. The next emotion we will express is happiness. When you feel joy, your voice takes a bit of a higher pitch, and you may even speed up your speech just a tad. Less than being fully excited, but more than being at your regular relaxed bass state. Example. That was the best date I've ever had. I've never been so in love. Don't laugh at me, I'm serious, this is great. Tips. Note that actually smiling and raising your eyebrows a bit can really get you in the mood to help portray happiness. Next up, anger. When you get mad, you lower your voice and begin to sound more aggressive or hostile. Sometimes you may even have a bit of a rumble or a growl in your voice. Example. That is absolutely not true. I would never do something like that. And I can't believe you would. Now that's angy. Tip. Try lowering your eyebrows and gritting your teeth while practicing. It may help you get into more of the mood and portraying the emotion of being angry. Now it's time for expressing sadness. When we're feeling down, your voice can get more monotone and words can begin to slow and get more precise. Example. I never knew how much I cared until it was finally gone. I miss my teddy bear. Tips. A little bit of voice wavering can really bring out the feeling of sadness. Not as much as being scared, but just enough to tell you are deeply affected. Last but certainly not least is fear. When we are scared, our heart rates shoot up as you become wavering and uncertain. We tend to get wide-eyed and breathe a bit heavier than normal. Volume can be unsteady as it can rise to the top of the spectrum with the loudness of scream, all the way down to a shivering whisper. Example. Why is there a dead body, a dead corpse here? This can't be happening. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please, someone. Anyone, save me. Tips. Extreme wavering of the voice can really expose fear. You will also want to think about the opposite of your relaxed bass voice. That's it for today's practice. Thanks for watching this video. I sincerely hope these are able to help you along your journey as voice actors or beginning voice actors, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.